Hello, this is the Acrosa lift in a building Als Espigons or Los Espigones. Look, and here before is the emergency phone sticker, and here is the details of the community, and here has got mailboxes, and here has got accountants. This lift is on the 4th floor. Let's go up. Look at this. Has got 2 buttons. Look at this. And here is the Otis indicator. Wow. Here on ground floor. Let's turn on. Hear this. Now let's go to 4th floor. The capacity is 450 kilograms, 6 persons. The serial number 5768 has the wooden cabin, and here is the mirror and has got lamps. Look at this. The inspection is June of 2022. This is the 4th floor, here on this. And here, now let's go to top to the machine room. Look, visit from the Horta de Santa Maria Avenue is construct the new building. The access the machine room, it's closed, holiness. But how to go to the machine room? It's only for technicals. Now let's go to see to the apartments on the left. And here, access to down floors. Look, visit from the Ruigata building. And has got the apartments 8F, 9E, 10D, 11C, 12B and 13A. Look, visit the Ruigata building. And here is the new building for Neri. And here is Aventura Juvenile. Look at this. Is from Ateneo. And here is Pass to the Down. Look. And here's access to the elevator. And has got more. Look, visit from the beach to the Horta de Santa Maria. Has got next apartments 7G, 6H, 5I, 4J, 3K, 2L, and 1LL or 1LL. Look, the Los Espigones building is built in 1989 or 1990. Let's turn on the light. Look, it's only from the night time. Look, now let's go to the elevator. The access machine room, it's closed. Okay, let's press the call button. This lift is busy. Okay. Holiness. This lift is busy. And here is the button with yellow LED. It doesn't put the floor indicator, it's only the ground floor. Look. And here is the emergency key on the door, but before is the old put the emergency key. Look, is the Facebook sound. It's still busy, the elevator. Look, and here is the extinguisher maintained by Alarma 1 or Alarma 1. This lift is going up. Okay, let's try. It's nothing. The cap. Alright, so it's in the shaft. Has got the sensor. The -1 is black. Let's go to ground. Doesn't press the closed door. The serial number will remind 5768. And error, the building is built in 1975, but the elevator installed in 1989 here on the ground floor. So, goodbye.